Morning, Texas Coastal out here at Thompson's. About to take this boat out, first time fishing. And got my buddy Luke with me and my old man. We're gonna get out here and try to get on some fish. It's pretty foggy, a lot of fog today. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's pretty foggy. But we're gonna get out here and test these waters. I wanna thank y'all for tuning in and sticking with us. I know it's been a minute since I posted. Just been real busy trying to get this boat in order and working on the shop and doing some things. But like to thank y'all for watching our show, and don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, that notification bell, so next time we get out here, y'all know when we post these fishing videos. And see y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, we're popping cork and shrimp, and I'm just gonna be throwing probably like, I don't know, 50 yards or so, cause maybe 20 yards, but these fish are slicking right here, so got a feeling we're gonna be stacked up real quick. Get these, try to get 15 real quick, and then yes sir, about 2 foot leader. I'm gonna look for some redfish afterwards. Fish on.
Yeah.
That's good. I already got a fish there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lucas. Lucas. Come on now. Hey Dad, here in a sec, what I'm gonna need you to do is yeah, I had some. Yeah. What is it? A flounder. A little bitty flounder. See it? There. Look. Yeah, you going the wrong direction, sir. You heard me there? Oh, whatever. You got it, Luke? Yeah, sure. But you see that? I was like, man, they gotta be here. I know, I was just trying to be, I didn't want to do it too quick, you know what I'm saying? Nah, it's a trout. I'm coming there down. Yeah. See, them big girls over here. I told you, I like. Yes, sir. Oh, and it came out too. Yeah.
Mama. Right here. That's a nice fish. About 24.
Yeah. Yeah. Boy, Luke hooked up.
You got him one?
Yeah.
I need to get me one.
It don't matter. I gotta see what we working with. That's a good trout. you go, sir. Hold up, dog.
Think he can?
Yeah.
Hold up now.
Let me see him. Let me see. From here. Yeah, it needs to be here. From here to here. It's too short. That's all right. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it. Oh! All right, there, you cast.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him. All right. It's a little fatter. Good trout too, head shaker. Just straight out. Oh, that's a red. Or either that's a bigger trout. I can't tell. Whatever it is, it's a little bigger.
It's a bag.
Nah, I just let it.
Bag.
I was just letting it sit there.
It's called a bag.
That's a nice trout. That's a redfish. That's why. A little bitty red. She's pretty.
It's a keeper.
Nah, that ain't no keeper.
It ain't?
Nah, it's gotta be 20.
You don't think so?
I mean, it's close, but I'm gonna let it go.
You ain't even measuring it?
I don't have a measure.
You brought that measure with you?
I forgot it in the shop. I was gonna get it, and I mean, it's close, but we're not gonna chance it.
I thought that fish big enough.
Yeah, it looked like it, but we're gonna let her go. I'm coming, bro. I'm coming. What's she? Black drum. That's keeper size. Oh. Yeah, we got it.
How big?
I mean, if you want to keep it, this is black drum.
You keep it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It may or may not have worms. And you know what? I don't even have a fillet knife. Looks like you're going to be cleaning fish at the house. That one to keep.
Nice red.
Yeah, I ain't got to measure this one. I ain't got to measure this one.
Oh, you put them in that bag.
Yeah. That's one. That's another one. Yes, sir. Oh, it's a big old drum. I thought that was gonna be. Come here. Come here. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's a drum. That's okay, keep going. That one looks decent. Yeah, and don't go sideways. Try to keep it in front of you. And if she take a while, she gonna run again. Yeah. Nice and easy. See what I'm saying? You probably want to land her on the left side. Well, just go, let her go to the left. Let her go. Yeah. Go left, go left. Yeah, let her go. Let her go that way. Keep going. Yeah, go around. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Dad, you're down. Dad. You're down, Dad. You got him? Double. Double loop. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, sir. That's a good one. No, don't do that. No. Just take your time. She right here. Probably. Most likely. Just take your time. She'll wear out. She here. See? She good. She tired. Hold on, Dad. Hold yours. Golly. Yeah, I know. Just be still. Alright, she good. One more up. One more. Come on. Head this way. Head this way. Got her. Yeah, that one needs a tag. Huh? That needs a tag.
Yeah.
That's a freshwater catfish. That's a good one. That's a channel cat. Yeah, that's a channel cat. I see that channel cat. Bring that channel cat over here. My bad, Luke. There's a line right there. There you go. You got him? You got him? Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, man,
take your time. I know. Hey. I gotta get my stuff situated. That's my line. Yeah, they gotta be 15. Yep.
Yeah, you can't keep that.
Nah, that's too small. Dad, you want that fish? That's good. All right, hold on. Yeah, I'm trying. Dad, that catfish is down here because the water's fresh. That catfish is down here because we're in the San Jacinto River.
Came out the river?
Yeah. Here, Dad.
Well, still, that kind of catfish is good catfish.
Just hold them. Texas coastal. These fish, man, they messing with us. We got a few trout, a few redfish, but the winds are starting to pick up right now, and we're gonna, a couple redfish, a couple trout. We're gonna poke around a couple more spots, and we're gonna call it. So I appreciate y'all sticking in to this point and checking us out, man. And hopefully y'all enjoy this show that we put together. Hell yeah. I don't know. Watch out, watch out. Yeah, get the net. That croaker, man. I threw a croaker.
Oh, you put a croaker?
Yeah. What we got here? Yeah, it's trout. Big red. Oh, hold on. I'm coming. I think it's a drum. No, it's a red. Oh, he's hurt. It's over. Yep. No. Hold on. I just wanted to fight him again. I'm coming. Yeah, I did it on accident. All right, thank you. Hold on. Let her go. Well, guys, we made it back to the boat ramp, and we're all done for today. Caught a few fish, but we're gonna head back in, get in the truck, get the boat loaded up. So appreciate y'all watching the show. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so next time we post, y'all boys will know when we upload another video. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Yeah.